Hello everyone, this video will introduce our products to you. 5XF-2000-80 Air Screen Cleaner. 5XF-2000-80 Air Screen Cleaner is a piece of equipment with comprehensive functions. It can remove heavy impurities such as soil clods and stones, and screen light impurities such as deflated seeds, sunflower shells, and other impurities. At the same time, the selected materials can be classified into 3 grades: large, medium, and small. In this time, we process sunflower seeds to test the selection effect of the air screen cleaner. As we can see in this video, there are many different kinds of impurities in the raw materials, such as deflated seeds, soil, and the stones in the raw materials. At the first step, we put raw materials to the machine by people or forklift. Raw materials flow into the sieve, which removes large impurities and gravels. Large impurities will flow out from discharge, like sunflower plate, abnormal sunflower seeds, and some other impurities. Then the larger stones are removed through the air lifting system and the materials are sent to the gravity table at the same time. During the operation of the wind-driven elevator, the primary processing procedures of big impurity, heavy impurity, stones, and light impurities, dust, removing are completed. The raw materials enter the specific gravity table. The specific gravity table can remove lighter impurities and immature seeds based on the weight and density characteristics of the materials. Let's look at the situation of the rejects on the specific gravity table, and the trend of the rejects on the waste outlet. The deflated seeds, unsaturated seeds, and light impurities in the raw materials are all sorted out. Through the gravity table, we can understand how effective regulation through the observation port is, and the material processing conditions on the waste area of the gravity table. Through the top of the gravity table, we can observe whether the cleaning state of the gravity table has achieved the best sorting effect. The work of the gravity table is completed. The raw materials directly enter the next step, the grading process. The discharge of large impurities. The main function is remove the abnormal or deformity sunflower seeds. Discharge of small seeds. 5XF-2000-80 Air Screen Cleaner adopts the high effective sorting technical, able to complete a large amount of sorting work in a short time. Improved production efficiency of agricultural products. It can sort raw materials efficiently, accurately, and stably, ensuring the quality of selection. The equipment adopts a design with multi-stage cleaning and multi-port discharge. It can meet the cleaning requirements of different varieties materials, also improve the applicability and flexibility of the machine. Next, let's take a look at the air screen cleaner's final selection effect. Sunflower seeds are uniform in size and there are no impurities basically. At the end of the video, we take a look at the situations before and after material sorting. The effect is good. This video will show you here. If you want to know more about our air screen cleaner, please pay attention to our website or call for consultation. Goodbye.